What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. We have brought back a bird feeder. I am not going to change for anybody on this channel, you guys. So my niche is my personality. And if you like my personality, you like my niche. So subscribe to the channel. I reviewed bird feeders before on this channel. I review cool bird feeders, you guys. I'm not going to review no, basic bird feeder or nothing like that. I like reviewing cool products or products that I think that's cool. You may think it's boring, but I think it's cool. So with this bird feeder right here, this is a squirrel-proof bird feeder. That's one of the pluses right there for some people that don't like, their bird food being eaten up by squirrels, and most of the bird food be gone by the end of the week and stuff like that. This is a solar bird feeder, and that's it. Like, the box is empty, you guys. This is probably the quickest unboxing I have ever did on this channel. You may ask, why is it solar? It's solar because it has a lantern on it, or a light on it. It says it's 85% metal, and then it says chew proof on it. Just because it says it's squirrel proof don't mean that the squirrels won't get to it. All right, so keep in mind, it's still a chance that the squirrels will get into it. Now recently the squirrels back here found the nut, if you kind of get what I mean, and there's little squirrels around here. They are very ambitious. The new squirrels back here now, they try to get into the feeder, and it's hard for them to get into it, but they keep trying and they keep trying, and it's funny to look at them. Like, they do all types of things. I know I'm going sidetracked, right? Anyways, let's get into this feeder. Now, it says waterproof. Of course, you should be waterproof, right? It's supposed to be outside. Moisture proof. It says hanging or rod mounting. All right, so you hang it with this little wire right here, the hanging wire, and it's easy to clean. They got two little clips right here. You push down, and well, it's easy to clean but hard to slide off. So you gotta slide, push in, and push this in. Yeah. Now this will probably be the most easy way to clean a bird feeder ever, you guys. This is a good wind, the wind blowing. So this is a good idea for whoever came up with this idea. Pretty smart. All feeders should be like this. Very easy to clean. All right, let's go ahead and put that back in. I guess it's good to be hard to put in and take off, because if the squirrels try to open up from the bottom, it's hard to do that. Wow. And it snaps real good. So now right here you have 4 feeding ports right there. So you have 2 right here, and then you have 2 on the top level. So it stops with that red pin right here is blocking. So it stops when the squirrel weight get on it. You would definitely see the squirrels trying to get into this bird feeder, especially with the new squirrels back here. If we want to open this thing, we are going to pull these black pieces up right here. They like wash. We're going to slide this open, and then we put the food right on the inside. You guys, I know how to do this because I basically been reviewing bird feeders, and I have bird feeders for many moons, but there's no instructions with this, you guys, so you're welcome. Luckily you found this channel. Unfortunately, the only way this top is going to stay on is with these black washers right here. My only concern is the squirrels in my yard. They are pretty smart, you guys, and they pretty ambitious. I think they will lift this up, personally, because they do it with the brown feeder that I bought from Walmart. The brown feeder, they know how to lift the top up. Let's go ahead, put some bird food in it, leave it out the next 2 days, and that will be it. Welcome this new feeder to the family, and we are going to have fun with it. We will do our final review once we see the result. All right, you guys, so here we go, and here goes the light show. Now it's all the way empty, and I want to say the squirrels got a little smart on me, you guys. So they drag they drag the feeder all the way back. So I will have to come up with a system where I can put like a little lock here and stop them from doing that. I might put like a, maybe like what do you call them, zip tie. I might put a zip tie on it. But here goes the light. All right, and it's pretty cool, and it's glowing like that because it's glowing funny on the camera, but it's not really glowing like that. It's just like a regular light. It's empty right now. As you can see, they got down to the bare bottom of this thing. I will fill it up tomorrow. Just wanted to give y'all the final looks of it to let you know what the light of it looks like. Right now it is 8:00 p.m. and it did get a good amount of sun today. It looks very nice, you guys. So that's about it. I love this feeder. All right, just to let you know, I like it because it's easy to clean, and it's just easy altogether, cleaning and filling up with seeds. And that will be it. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.